chabvondoka panguva inoi kuonekwa kunzi advocate nelsonchamisa votora side rageneral Constantino Chiwenga. Hapana munhu asingambozvizivi nyika yese inoziva kuti General Constantino Chiwenga ndiye munhu one akati no to corruption, no to zvigananda. Sana bina mashoko anobuda afirmwa naadvocate nelsonchamisa panguva inoi, the opposition leader. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timda paendo advocate nelsonchamisa amudanyira chiti corruption stinks. A fish rots from the head. For almost 27 years, I've stood firm against corruption in all its forms. Not for applause, not for laughs, not and likes, or to trend, but because I believe Zimbabwe deserves better. It's no longer enough to simply point out the road. We all live it. The time has come to fix it. It begins with changing the system that enables it, not just a change of faces, but a total renewal of values and values. Our vision is for transformational and developmental government that serves, not steals, that builds, not bleeds, that empowers, not impoverishes. Corruption is not just a crime, it is a sin against God. It's a betrayal of the liberation values, and the cure starts with us all. Support this vision. The only way to stop corruption, the first step, ndiye kubvisa vakomana vacho varipo vari kuita corruption. Ndo masviko atiri kuona panguva ine muchiona vana bombshogeza vachiuya panapa vachizoenda into hiding vachiita ma-addresses avo vasingazivikanwi kuti vari kupi. Muchiona vane mutungamiri wenyika, mutevedzeri wemutungamiri wenyika, vana vice president Constantino Chiwenga, muchivaona rallies pamwe chete ma-addresses vaitaura nawo ye-anti-corruption. Those guys tiri kuona kuti now they've now united. Now they are against corruption. It is now the security threat in nyika yeZimbabwe. Vanhu vese, even ma-sectors ese munyika ino, they are struggling just because of corruption. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.